Welcome to this in-depth walkthrough of process mining with KTern. In today's fast-paced business world, organizations generate vast amounts of process data. But are these processes truly efficient? Are there hidden bottlenecks slowing down operations? That's where process mining comes in. It enables businesses to analyze real-time operational data, uncover inefficiencies, and implement data-driven improvements. In this video, we'll explore how you can effectively use KTern's Process Studio to gain deep insights into your order-to-cash process, optimize workflows, and make data-driven decisions. This video is especially useful for business analysts, process owners, IT teams, and decision-makers who want to streamline operations, identify inefficiencies, and improve overall business performance. Let's get started by logging into KTern using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the desired project. Click on this icon to expand the navigation bar. Then, expand Digital Maps and select Process Studio, where you can access data from a demo or a previously executed order-to-cash process mining bot. Next, set up the KTern connector to establish a connection with the SAP system. Navigate to Landscape Management, click Download KTern Connector, and once the download is complete, extract the file and proceed with the installation. Ensure you are connected with your VPN, as it is required for a secure connection. Post-installation, when prompted, double-click KTern on-premise connector, select Run Anyway, and enable it locally. Now, let's add the SAP system by providing key details such as environment type, system version, IP address, instance, and client number. Once entered, click Add, and then click Connect, enter your SAP credentials, and submit to establish the connection. With the system connected, we can now run the process mining bot. Inside Process Studio, click New Process Mine. Under the Bot Configurations tab, provide a reference name and select the Order-to-Cash Process Mining Bot. Under Bot Preferences, choose the source system and click Verify to confirm the connection. Next, in Mining Configurations, select the time span for data analysis. You can also provide load prerequisites for more detailed insights. Finally, click Launch My Bots button to start the process mining analysis. Once the bot completes execution, click on All Process Mines to view a summary of all executed bots. To get detailed insights on a specific bot, click on the launch icon, which opens a screen displaying key details such as process ID, created date, status, last execution date, progress percentage, and last updated date. Clicking on additional mine info provides a deeper understanding of the bot's functionality. The About Me section outlines the bot's mission, what it does, and the rules involved. The Add Works section displays key insights, including connected SAP system details, data selection month, and any configurations applied. The History section tracks when the bot was created, failed, or executed successfully. Moving into the Explorer tab, you can visually explore the end-to-end process flow, mapping out each step from start to finish. The Process Mining map displays the directional flow of the process, helping you understand its structure. You can select different process variants from the drop-down menu, where each variant represents a different workflow path and step sequence. As you switch between variants, the table below updates, showing the number of steps and how frequently each step is executed, which helps in identifying bottlenecks, variations, and inefficiencies. In the Process Flow map, click on any process step to view the anomaly path and happy path for different case IDs. You'll also find details on business value, currency, distribution channel, division, the sales organization it belongs to, and the responsible business user. The anomaly path is highlighted in red, indicating deviations from the expected process flow, while the happy path represents the ideal and most efficient sequence of steps. Additionally, you can download the process mining map using the download icon for reporting and documentation. Now, let's move on to the Analytics tab, where we gain deeper insights into process performance. This section highlights the total number of steps involved in the process, along with the average duration from start to finish. You can also identify the top business users, ranked by their participation in the process, which helps determine who contributes the most and where inefficiencies might exist. The analytics also reveal the top process steps and those with the highest rework count, helping businesses focus on areas that need improvement. The activity frequency metric displays how often each process step is performed, while user frequency shows the number of process steps each user is involved in. Another key metric is throughput time versus total waiting time, which highlights process delays. Throughput time refers to the average time taken for tasks to progress, while total waiting time represents the sum of all delays in the process. If a step has high waiting time, it signals an inefficiency that needs optimization. To further improve efficiency, the process step rework count identifies steps that are frequently repeated, indicating potential errors or bottlenecks. Similarly, the user rework count tracks rework instances for individual users, revealing which users frequently encounter revisions or repetitive tasks. The top 20 cases with longest duration provides insights into slow-moving processes by displaying case ID, total duration in days, users involved, and steps executed, helping businesses pinpoint bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Now, let's look at the Insights tab, which provides valuable observations on SAP system processes, including order processing, delivery efficiency, and data quality. KTern not only presents the current state but also suggests risk reductions, process improvements, and workflow optimizations, along with recommendations on how to implement these changes. The Key Performance Indicators, KPIs, section showcases crucial metrics such as order error rate, delivery lead time, and data accuracy, along with suggested benchmarks for improvement. If a KPI is below the recommended benchmark, KTern provides specific recommendations to enhance performance. Finally, the Strategic Recommendations section offers data-driven insights to enhance inventory management, strengthen compliance, and improve quality control measures. These recommendations are supported by an expected impact analysis, helping businesses understand the benefits of implementation before making changes. With KTern's Process Mining, gain real-time insights, optimize workflows, and make smarter business decisions effortlessly.